Hi, I'm excited to share the public preview for Microsoft Forms Pro, which is part of our April 19 release. Forms Pro is a simple yet comprehensive survey solution that is built on top of Microsoft Forms from Office, and it includes additional enterprise capabilities to provide key business insights from customers, products, and employees. With Forms Pro, you can get actionable feedback from customers at every stage of their journey. You can improve organizational health with real-time feedback. You can build the products customers want and love, and leverage the data across the tools that you already use, including Dynamics 365, Power Apps, Microsoft Flow, and Power BI. And with that, I'm going to hand it over to Welly, who's going to walk us through all of these features for Forms Pro.
Let's take a look at how you can use Forms Pro to create a survey, distribute the survey, and analyze the result. Creating a survey with Forms Pro is easy. Start by naming your survey. Forms Pro then will automatically provide suggested questions based on the name of your survey. Select the questions that you would like to include as part of your survey. Then you can add more questions. We provided support for several common question types, including Net Promoter Score or NPS. You can further customize the survey, such as adding conditional logic. For example, let's say that you want to show the last questions, the comment questions, only if your survey respondent give a low NPS score. In order to do this, you can do it through branching rule. Create a new rule, give it a name, then select the NPS questions as the condition, specify the value to check. And if that condition is true, then show the comment questions. Otherwise, let's hide the comment. Save, let's go back. And another thing that you can do is that you can change the setting for that comment question so that by default, they're not shown. Let's give a quick test, and you can do this through the preview. You can preview your survey through the desktop mode or the mobile mode. When the survey respondent answering high NPS, nothing is shown, but when they give a low NPS score, then the questions, the comment questions show up. You can brand your survey by adding your organization logo. You can also add a background image for your survey. When you're ready to distribute your survey, you can switch to the Send Survey tab. Forms Pro provides several distribution options for you to send your survey. You can send via email, you can automate the survey distribution using Microsoft Flow, embed your survey on your website or app, or get a link or the QR code and share it directly with your survey recipient. Let's take a look at how you can send a survey via email. Forms Pro provides a built-in integration with your Active Directory. So if you want to send a survey to your colleague, you can simply type your colleague's name, and then Forms Pro will get the contact information from your Active Directory. Similarly, if you have a distribution list, then you can choose that distribution list, and Forms Pro will send to all the members of that distribution list. If you are using Dynamics, Forms Pro include a built-in integration with Dynamics. You can look up your customer contact's name, or if you have set up a contact view in Dynamics, for example, if you have a view that filter for new customers that is created in the last 30 days, then you can select that view name, and then Forms Pro will send the survey to all the contacts that meets that criteria. When you send a survey, then typically you include a survey invitation email. And Forms Pro support a nice formatted email for you to use as part of your survey invite. You can copy and paste the email content, and you can personalize the email. For example, adding the first name and the last name. Forms Pro will then automatically replace this with the actual survey recipient name. When you send a survey, Forms Pro will automatically generate a unique link to each of your survey recipients. This is useful so that you can track the survey response to each of your survey recipient in your email. Lastly, you can add the unsubscribe link. That enables your survey recipient to opt out from receiving future survey from your organization. You can automate this process by using Microsoft Flow. We provided several built-in templates for Microsoft Flow, including automatically send a survey when the case is resolved in your CRM system. Let's take a look at the survey responses. To do this, let's take a look at a sample survey response that comes with your Forms Pro installation. Go to the view response. Let's take a look at the summary. Forms Pro summarizes the result from each question, and if your survey includes a text type questions where your survey respondent can enter their comments, Forms Pro automatically builds a word cloud with common phrases so you can get a quick insight of what your respondents are saying without first having to read all of your survey responses. All the survey responses received by Forms Pro are automatically saved to Common Data Service or CDS as part of Microsoft Power Platform that include Microsoft Flow, Power Apps, Dynamics 365, and Power BI. The report in Microsoft Forms Pro are built using Power BI, which means that in addition to use the out-of-the-box report, you can build a custom report using Power BI without having to export the survey data and import it again to your reporting solution. Let me show you an example of the type of the custom report you can create in Power BI. In this report, we have a customer journey that includes survey responses from 3 different surveys: customer feedback after the product installation, during the product use, and when the customer called for support. you can show the NPS result from those 3 different surveys in one single report and link them into the customer's demographic information, such as which regions the customers are located and what product they purchase. By doing this, then you can get an integrated insight into your customer experience. For example, by drilling down to the customer service NPS, you see that this is mainly from this specific product. And by drilling down to that product, you can get the word cloud summary of the survey comments that related to this product. This report is built based on the survey responses on CDS that link together with the customer information. If you are using Dynamics, this relationship between survey response to the customer record is done automatically. If you don't have Dynamics, Power BI provides many connectors to help you to set up this report so that you can get an actionable insight from your customers and employee in real time. Forms Pro provides an easy way for you to create a survey, integrate your survey with your business process, and it is now available for you to try. I invite you to go to formspro.microsoft.com to sign up. Thank you.